Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a YouTube intro video on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the home button and then tap on the social media button that you will find at the top of the screen. Scroll down until you find the YouTube intros section. Tap on see all to check out all of the available templates which are with a standard format that are required for a YouTube intro. As you can see, you can change the video category here if you want to, and tap on the relevant one that you would like to use according to your preferences, and then once it is loaded in, feel free to zoom in and start customizing your video, such as changing the text by tapping on the text box, delete the current text and type in your own. After that you can change the font size, the color of it, and if you tap on the plus icon down below you can also change the template style. You can add elements such as stickers, you can add audios, videos, graphics, preset pictures, charts, tables, frames, stickers, and you can add your own videos and pictures from your library. A text box can be added too, and basically that's it. You can add effects, filters, adjustments, animations, and if you are done with your additions and customization, tap on display at the top to check out how your video looks like. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.